Kasi it was, ang movement kasi niyan yung mga tao. It's human intervention. See, during that time, ang stock market is played by human. Pag sinabing up and down, may nagmo-move niyan eh. So, hindi pa siya robotics or hindi pa siya AI. But nowadays, for the last 2 years, I've been hearing about algorithm. So now you can play stock market using algo and cryptocurrency using algo. So you're no longer studying the fundamental analysis or technical analysis of stock market
Uy.
or yung mga tip nilang sinasabi or cut loss in forex. In cryptocurrency, meron na rin kasing algo na sinusundan. May hawig sila ng stock market. Ang
Okay.
hawig nila is when you put your money there a little longer, mas kumikita siya.